Hindi lang sa BPO, kahit sa ibang industriya. If you're an aspiring freelancer, listen to this and listen carefully. We all need the money, we all want comfort, and we're done, over and done sa pagbiyahe to and from work ng over 4 hours. Alam ko yung pandemya, it triggered a lot of anxiety sa atin. As a matter of fact, even before pandemic, I have seen many people who are like me na no matter how much you achieve, win, yung kahit narating mo na yung rurok ng corporate ladder, alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi ka pa rin masaya. If this is you, I might be able to help you out. Hi, my name is Mary. I'm a work from home mom. I've been working from home since 2009 and sabi nga dito, pare-pareho tayo Bothered ako sa mga kapatid natin sa BPO, ang daming nagta-transition to VA, which is okay. However, nagre-resign even before makahanap ng client, which is wrong. Please do not make the same mistakes that I did. Naging pala desisyon ako sa buhay. Actually, may work na ako noon, mga side hustles, na ginagawa ko kahit nag-work pa ako. So, nag-part-time pa ako nung lagay na yon. Tapos, nung nakakita ako ng good na opportunity na magstay sa bahay, green up ko kagad, nag-immediate resignation ako. What I didn't realize is that the stability of freelancing is how we maintain our business. Dumepende ako sa isang source of income online at pagkatapos nung nawala yung client, wala, girl. Only 10% ng nagtatry ng freelancing ang tunay na tumatagal ng over 5 years. There are a lot of factors at play when it comes to freelancing na hindi natin nare-realize during our first 2-3 years, 4th year. Sometimes 1 year ka pa lang na VA, babalik ka na talaga sa corporate because you realize a couple of things. 1, freelancing may not be for you. 2, freelancing may not be for the kind of lifestyle that you're looking for. Or 3, it may not match your personality type. The good thing about freelancing is that you have the opportunity to test the waters without leaving your corporate job. A lot of freelancers these days, they post online yung mga highlighted reels. Kumita ako ng ganito, nakabili ako ng ganito. What they don't tell you is that gaano katagal bago sila nakahanap ng client, ano yung tunay na starting rate nila, ano yung mga sinakripisyo nila, na hindi pala totoong may work-life balance kahit na work from home ka, hindi totoong mas productive ka on your first 2 years kasi kung ano-anong pinagtatatry mo sa buhay. Pinakamasakla pa nito, ang daming nanggagawa ng contents about working from home, but they don't tell you the exact process. Parang nga nangyayari na life coaching, hindi skills training. Now, if you wanna start working from home, huwag ka muna mag-resign. I-prepare mo muna yung sarili mo, i-prepare mo yung equipment mo, and then start learning even if you're already earning. Contents like this and more, nasa feed ko lang. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!